Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Khasi Students Union KSU Sengkeme, hak arpo terik unailar, kala pelong ya kajing sendet dawai haka office rekam jongka hajiau kom shibenta banyada na uknyang jingpang covid khat kendai haswaban ple biang hadien baladep khang shipor na marhak ni ka office kidon bon ha ki samla puli ki para dekhot ba ki ripat ba ki bawan don kam kini jing sendet dawai kedai kasien ke pasau bat hak ni kenti ka KSU kala khot ya ka safety first Meva Enterprise franchisee of sanitize bahkan wan sendet dawai hadien baklayo I hapo Batisi TV.
Kapor kubit jung kebayak mentah ti kebaek yang ibarok baik ba musim jencar kalat nguniang di nakaliang jungi ngiyele ban kontin ban sanitize yaki office yaki yen ki bre ki kwa di kembang mentah sini wan benek kan office jung KSU di kadon kata 6 steps bang ngiyele mengi kat kum bala betha di doctors di badai ki advisory boards jungi tinggi lek kum baki ong miki ya kita 6 steps te kumban kong baki plai ni vacuum sai ki kamera dala ada vacuum lu ki kamera untuk mesin so itu ki disinfectant ki baki itu ki spray ki disinfect lu itu ki jakah ba long ki kimi nanta kini ki jikhang yet ha ki jakah bengi kham pendai ki kiti jung andala ada bi ketung tinggi lek so ekani ka UV machine ka bangi penukam kini ki electrical items kini ki laptop ki computers nanta ki electrical switch hak itu dengan adap lek gitu lek so ekani ka fumigation maki I bang siap lek tu ka le air tredem ka tu kadai ka bangi da ai ki dawan bangi siap ya paro kamera dan andangin adap siap itu tu telas nilai itu chemical rinsing Besar begini dengan niat atat itu kita begini pendai ti niat atat untuk jikang ini dengan sekam. Dekini kita step sebengi le namta ka sanitization juga. Kini kakak mentai kila jandon ni saka arbnai tema ngimpat sedang namar bangi dang ya consult baik bagi doktor ki eye training ya ki staff jungi kumba pilai bau don ni ba uwe ni staff jungi batip baik ki lain chemical keteng bisa Mr. Bisa kadin joki tu pai tip bah kamtia ikini chemical kumno ban mix iki akan ngorkom min dilute itu water te kanu chemical ban penontam hangno tu ulak batai bisa ini te kedai tang kata te ngisu perpat ini pat ba bikin long safe bikin yele ban yadang be kemas bikin sanitize bukti bat kin yele ban ya kata ke social distancing kumpul sokar mah kin buat be kita ki protokol tu di nakaliang jungi kum kat bangila min nyarap bat nikloi ban naik du ban sanitize kino ki department kino ki brio private ki kwa ki nyarap.
The chemical that we are using is known as quaternary ammonium compounds. These chemicals are approved by WHO and ICMR as well. It's a food grade chemical. So we use this chemical in a ratio as given as by the advisory body. So the advisory body consists of doctors and chemists. So they tell us what is the composition we need to dilute depending on the area. So according to that, we dilute the chemical in the certain ratio and then we use it to sanitize the building. So you use it as in a form of fumigation, spray and rinsing the areas. So this is how we use the chemical. So this chemical is not harmful to people, not harmful to human beings. Most of the places we are using sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite on the other hand is harmful to health. as well as inside. If you're using it inside your house, it may erode the furniture or the polish on your furniture. So, but this chemical that we're using is approved and it can be used indoor as well. So, and is quite efficient for virus neutralization and containing the virus. After the sanitization, what we do is, once we use the sanitization, once we done the sanitization, depending on the area, on type of building, the frequency of sanitization varies. Suppose if it's a small house where only 2-3 people stays and the movement of people is very less, these areas it may be like once in a month or twice in a month is enough. But if you're talking about a big offices, shopping complexes where the number of people coming is very high, we don't know what kind of people are entering. In these areas, as advised by the advisory body of our team, what we do is, we suggest them to go for either daily or after 36 hours, every 36 hours, or 48 hours or 36 hours, depending on the density of people entering that particular area.